3 people were able to escape after their boat got stuck in the Neenah Dam. Our Emily Byer joins us live in the newsroom with the very latest. Emily.
Brooke, according to the Winnebago County Sheriff's Office, 3 people aboard a 24-foot Crestliner pontoon boat went near the dam to try and retrieve an unmanned dinghy that was caught in the dam safety cable. It happened around 9 o'clock last night near the Oak Street Bridge in Neenah. During their attempt, the current became too strong for the boat motor and the boat was sucked through the dam. One person was able to pull themselves out of the water using the safety cable. The other 2 occupants on the boat were pulled along with the boat through the dam by the current. They both were able to swim to shore and were taken to the hospital with only minor injuries. Authorities have not confirmed their current condition. Neenah police say the boat did break apart and some debris did float down the river. Part of the boat is still intact and stuck in the dam. The owner is working to have it removed. It's not yet known how much all the damage and the cleanup will cost. Brooke?
All right, thank you so much, Emily. Now